Hey ladies, I'm coming to you with a tutorial. We're gonna make some of these Gatsby flowers. I've had enough of you ladies asking me to do it, so let me just go ahead and do it. And plus, I see that Natalie had no issue sending you guys over here to tell me to do it. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I have, right here, I have about a good 40 inches, or it's about, I don't know, maybe about 38 inches right here, because it's measured to my hand and 6 times all the way around. Okay, so not everybody's hand is the same size, but this is the size I did, and that's the length of what I have. I'm using this tool right here. I just had popcorn and I hate it. It's all in my teeth. Okay, and we have this right here, which is the adhesive, and then my hot glue gun is ready to go. All right, so let's get this party started now. All right, I'm gonna try to do this in between the legs of this tripod. All right, so I have this here. Okay, we're gonna hold on to this so that it goes to the bottom of your hand. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and keep the pearl. If you use these pearls, or if you use sequin trim, please keep it in the middle. You don't want it to go on the sides, because it's at the end, we're gonna have a hard time gluing it. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap this up and keep your ribbon as flat as you possibly can. Keep that pearl trim kind of in the middle. Okay. See, it's already wanting to go to the side. I don't know why it does that. And then we're gonna keep wrapping. And we're gonna wrap again, because we really want the pearls to be like in the middle and maybe a little bit on the side. Okay, so see, I didn't cut my pearl trim long. No, I did cut it long enough, but there was a kink in the pearl, so I had to cut that piece off. So we can keep going, it don't matter. All right, so we have it right here. All right, so now we're gonna grab this little tiny thing right here. It's 5 inches long. So you see every square is an inch. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this off our hand. Keep it snug so that it doesn't all come apart. And then we're gonna, because you're gonna get the beginning and the end of the trims. Okay, so you're still gonna see those, and that's fine. No worries. Okay, so we're gonna stick it in the middle, hold them together, and we're gonna tie this bad boy up. Okay, can I just tell you guys, if y'all are in California, it was stupid hot today, completely unacceptable. I should not have to run my air in April. Okay, so we want to keep this in the middle, and I can see that some of this trim. Okay, so this is, if you see anything that doesn't look right, this is the time to try to fix it before you like tighten it. Okay, did I tie it up front? Yeah, okay. And then we're gonna keep it super snug and tight, okay? Use your middle finger to hold it down, and then go ahead and tie the knot. You need this knot to be tight, okay? So you see right there, it's in the middle. Oh, does it look like it is? Maybe a little more to the side right here. Okay, so this is the fluffy thing you have, okay? Then we're gonna go ahead and get these two, and we're gonna cut them off, okay? And then don't worry about this, this is fine. We're gonna go ahead, in fact, let's just do it now. We're gonna just cut that off. All right, and this is a part where you just kind of open up all of these different trims that you have, like this, because we have a lot of layers, and that's what I like about adding the 3 trims plus the pearl plus the tool. And now when you start fluffing it up, if you do it the 6 times, you'll have a lot, okay? All right, and then you're gonna stick hot glue right in here. Okay, so let me get my hot glue again. Oops, jeez Louise. All right, and we're gonna stick it like right in here in the middle, not all the way up, but just kind of at the bottom, okay? And we're gonna pinch it together, and we're gonna hold it, and we're gonna come to the other side, and we're gonna put a little bit there as well. Don't go too glue happy. And we're gonna pinch this side as well, okay? We just want the sides, and make sure it doesn't seep out this. I don't have sensitive fingers anymore like I used to. And so it doesn't hurt me, but you just want to make, that's why you don't want to add a lot, because you don't want it gooping out the side too much. Okay. And then we have it there. Let's cut this bad boy off. We'll just cut it at an angle and keep it down to the size of the actual, did I just grab the wrong scissors that cut like boo-boo? All right. Now we're gonna get this side right here. Yeah, I did grab the wrong scissors. These are the Timmy scissors that I use to cut metals and stuff like that, so. All right, so you now have, and you just wanna constantly open them up, okay? So we have this going. Okay, and then if you see that it's still got like a little gap in there, just get a little bit of hot glue. Don't go too crazy. And now we're gonna close it up. Let's actually fix this purple one. And move it over a little bit, get some of these bad boys out of the way. And this is kind of what I do, and that's because I chose to use this ribbon and instead of using seam binding. Okay, so when we get it, I'm gonna have hot glue in my fingers. When we get it, I picked out these three right here. These are the three we're gonna use in the middle. We're gonna go ahead and get this right here, and you don't have to use this. This is just because if you use hot glue, and these are like plastic, they'll end up popping off in time. So it's completely up to you. It's whatever works best for you. The hot glue is instant gratification, so I like that. So I can quickly do that. And then when it dries, this right here will bond to it. And then it'll last longer, okay? So we're gonna stick a little bit of the hot glue. And we're gonna do it this way. It's a bead, so you want the holes to be on the side, not where the hole is above. We're gonna use this bead right here, if I don't drop it. And we're gonna put some hot glue on it. I love this cordless hot glue gun. You have no idea. So, okay, oops. There we go. And then we have one more little bead right here. Stick a little hot glue on that bad boy. Turn it around. And we're gonna stick that right there. Okay. So we just have them, press them all together. Nothing seeps out. You have to be really careful. Don't go too crazy with adding so much glue or goop so that it doesn't come out gooping on the sides. But there you go. That's pretty much all you do. So it does take a little bit of time. Like I said, you have to fluff this out and, you know, remove all of the different ribbons. And like I said, I use 3 of these plus the pearl trim plus the tool. So that's what keeps it nice and full. If you add less than that, then it's not going to be as full. And you're just adding hot glue in here and pinching, hot glue in here and pinching. And you see how I kept the pearls in the middle instead of on the ends. And so you just want to keep that in mind, because you know at the end, you're going to have to stick hot glue. Look at that, I still have hot glue on my finger. And I just did my nails today. And so you just want to make sure you keep it that way. And you just got to move it around, play with it, and fix it to the way you like it. And then with the loose ones, I just angle cut them, because you do, like I said, you're going to get the beginning and the ends of the trim. But that's okay though. So I love it. Super cute. All right, guys, so I hope that helps you, all of you, to give this a whirl. I would love to see what you guys come up with if you add your own little flavor on it. And I will talk to you guys later. All right, guys, bye.